In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Steam. We'll be updating the real name shown on your Steam profile, which is different from your login name and your main display name. Your login name can't be changed, and your profile display name is separate. The real name is an optional line that appears under your avatar on your public profile and can make it easier for friends to recognize you. Start by opening Steam on your computer and signing in. Give the app a moment to load your library and community tabs so everything is ready. Next, look to the top right corner of the Steam window and click your profile. In the menu that appears, choose Edit Profile. This is where Steam keeps all the settings related to how your profile looks to others. You'll land on a settings page with several sections on the left. Stay on the General section. This area controls your basic profile information. Take a moment to scan it so you know what's here, but we'll focus on just one field. Find the real name field. This is the optional line that shows a more personal name beneath your avatar on your profile page. Some people use it for their full name, others prefer initials or a nickname. If you want more privacy, leaving it blank hides it from your public profile entirely. Now choose what you want to do. If you no longer want a real name displayed, simply delete what's in the box so the field is empty. If you want to change it, replace the existing text with the new name you want. Keep it simple and readable so friends can easily identify you. Avoid adding personal details you don't want publicly visible. When you're happy with the change, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. Steam will confirm the update right away. If you don't see a confirmation, wait a second and make sure the Save button isn't grayed out, then try again. To verify it worked, open your profile page and check under your avatar for the updated real name. If it doesn't appear, refresh the page. Sometimes it can take a moment to propagate. Remember, this adjustment only changes the optional real name line on your profile. It does not affect your login name, and it won't change your main display name in chats or friend lists. If your goal is privacy, clearing the real name field is a quick way to keep that information hidden. That's it. Open Steam, go to your profile's Edit Profile page, stay on General, find Real Name, delete or replace it, and save. You're all set.